Hi and welcome back to this short video. My name is Emily and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Fern-tastic Fronds slimline die. And this is a part of Trinity Stamps Enchanted Woods release. And this die, this large cover plate die, is measuring 8.5 by 3.5 and is perfect for your slimline fronts. And you can see how you can layer this up in different orientations to get a fuller image if you like. I think that is a really fun idea. You can see I cut it out of a paper that I created, as well as I created just a white one so you can see. And one of my favorite things to do with background dies like this is just to take some adhesive to the backside of one of these and just layer them up to get a nice dimension between your card base and this beautiful cover plate die. And yeah, I spent some time doing this, but you can probably use some adhesive, other types of adhesive if you like. But I love glue when I'm doing this. I think it's really forgiving, so if you don't get all of these lined up perfectly, no worries, you can always line it up perfectly and fiddle around with it a little bit. So here is how it looks all stacked up, and this die is really amazing. Look how easy and nice that looks. So I will share with you a couple of projects here in a second from the design team. If you like to see some more inspiration after that, you can always visit our Instagram account as well as our Facebook page and the blog, and you will see that the design team created a lot of fun inspiration with this die set. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!